Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is easy to make pulled pork. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Sorry if I sound a bit quiet on this narration, but my wife's upstairs lying on the bed with the curtains drawn. Don't worry, she's not ill, she just likes to sharpen her tongue in darkness. First, let's make the rub for the pork. To do this, simply put the brown sugar, smoked paprika, garlic powder and onion powder, and salt and pepper to taste in a bowl and thoroughly mix together. Then we move on to the pork. We find skinless and boneless pork shoulders the best joint of meat for this recipe. The first thing we do is pat dry the pork using a kitchen towel. When this is done, sprinkle over the rub mixture and massage in well. And remember, if you don't like to get your hands messy, get your wife to do it. When the pork is coated in the spice mixture, it's time to place the pork in an oven-proof dish, add a splash of water, and using kitchen foil seal up to a nice tight package, as you see here. Then it's off to a preheated 150°C oven for 5 hours. Then when the 5 hours are up, remove the pork from the oven and remove the tin foil. And the pork should be nice and succulent and look something like this. Then transfer the pork to a serving dish. Don't forget to reserve the cooking juices. Are you sure that jug's big enough? Are you sure that jug's big enough? Ooh, close. Next thing we do is use 2 forks and shred the pork, removing any excess fat as you go. When the pork is shredded as you want it, add in a splash or 2 of the reserved cooking juices. This helps to keep the pork moist. As an extra, if you like, you can mix in 4 or 5 tablespoons of barbecue sauce of your choice. You of course could use any barbecue sauce you like, but if you'd like to make your own, we have a recipe which I'll link in the end cards at the end of this video. Then when the barbecue sauce is well mixed in, that's 1 batch of pulled pork to be used as you see fit. We do hope you enjoyed this easy and tasty recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.